Hi everybody, so today we're going to look at putting some concrete anchors through this shed frame, which is 4x2, into a concrete base. So there's plenty of different types of anchors you can get, but this one in particular is 150mm, 10mm diameter, and if you can see there's a threaded piece there, so this literally screws itself into the concrete and in fact can actually be reversed and taken out afterwards. The reason I chose these is because you can put these very close to the edge of masonry or concrete slab, and because it screws in and doesn't exert any lateral force, you've got much less chance of cracking your concrete slab. So I'm going to use an 8mm diameter SDS drill bit, and this is a 10mm bolt, so it just screws its way into the concrete. I've also got some 10mm washers here. I'll put a couple of those on just to spread the load onto the wooden base there, and then I'll just screw that home with an impact driver, but you could equally use a socket set just the same. So let's get going. Let's drill the hole first. So if you can, and you've got a vacuum cleaner, it's important to hoover out the hole to make sure that there's no debris at the bottom, and make sure that you use a screw which is probably 20mm or so longer than this, in case there is any debris fallen to the bottom. It's not going to catch. You notice that I did hoover and I backed out the drill from time to time. Backing out the drill just helps getting rid of the waste and keeps the drill cool. Obviously, if you get the drill too hot, you'll dull the edge and it will become blunt. Okay, so once the hole is drilled and you're sure you've got it all cleaned out, I'm going to use a couple of washers, just 2 for extra strength. Just slightly insert the bolt into the hole, and then using your impact driver or socket set, just torque that down. And that's it, all done. So you can see there, if I just zoom in, all torqued down nicely. The washers are about 30mm, so that spreads the load out across the wood, and now this is torqued down nicely into the concrete. This will stop the shed from sliding or lifting in winds. Anyway, I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everybody.